Would you believe this luxury accent wall was created using wallpaper instead of expensive wood panels? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Roxy and I love sharing affordable home decor and DIY projects. Today, I'll be showing you how I transformed this plain wall into a modern statement piece using HD wood slat wallpaper. This project is renter friendly, budget conscious, and much easier to install than real wood panel. So I stopped by at Lowe's looking at those beautiful wall panels, thinking I was about to create my HD TV dream wall until I saw them prices. Baby, them prices humbled me real quick. And that's when I discovered this HD wallpaper alternative that gave me the same luxury look without emptying my bank account. I bought these off Amazon, so I'll drop a link in the description box below. I bought 4 rolls starting at $9.97. The price varies by length. Before getting started, I made sure the wall was clean and smooth because trust me, good prep makes a big difference with projects like this. This has to be the easiest wallpaper I ever had to install. It was effortless. It goes on real smooth and it was done in a very short amount of time. I was impressed. Trust me, I was thoroughly impressed. One of my favorite things about this design is how realistic it looks. The vertical wood slat pattern instantly had height, texture, and visual interest to this room. Now let's talk about these Amazon sconces for a second, because baby, they understood the assignment. These little lights added so much elegance to the wall and instantly made the whole space feel high-end. These come in 2 finishes, gold and matte black. Your girl got options. I was totally impressed by these. See how bright the lights are? One thing about me, I love a good Amazon find, so I won't gatekeep. I will drop the link in the description box below. The wall sconces are a magnetic peel and stick. So right here I was testing out if I wanted to go with the gold, but I decided I'll go with the black instead. So these are rechargeable, dimmable, and tap to turn on. And they also have timer on them as well. This took me less than 2 hours to finish. I kid you not. And there you have it. I honestly still can't believe this started with wallpaper. This project completely transformed my living room and gave me the modern luxury look I wanted without spending hundreds of dollars. I hope this makeover inspires you to tackle your own DIY accent wall. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so you never miss a DIY project, home decor, or lifestyle video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!